National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wood County in north central Texas, southeastern Parker County in north central Texas, northwestern Johnson County in north central Texas, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Granbury, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail with 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cleburne, Granbury, Joshua, Pecan Plantation, Gutley, Old Trail Shores, Tiller and Nanetta South. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north central Texas.